here the JellieBend basic summary, effortless support all day long before I even get started. This is how it's shipped. It came to me very, very quickly. There was almost no delay after ordering. So let's open it up and take it out. So JellieBend came across my feed for scoliosis support, and I have sciatica caused by the scoliosis. So I was looking for something for extra lower back support. This video has no medical advice, just my personal experience. But this thing is amazing. Why I love it. I've had it for about 10 days, and it's very versatile. So I measured myself, and I went with the extra large, but I probably could have gotten the large. It gives ample support. I don't feel like I'm squeezed in here, and I can wear it for like 10 hours without wanting to rip it off my body. But it's very versatile. So it has the satin inside and then the silky on the outside. You can wear it as a tube top, so it could go above your boobies and under your armpits, and extends down to your booty. Or you could put it across your midsection for more targeted support. So I'm wearing it under my clothes with absolutely no issues. It's breathable. It doesn't make me feel suffocated or really overheated. I'm about 5'6", 172, 3 pounds, and I did get an XL. One thing I did notice when I put it on and put my activewear over it, sometimes my pants actually slip down. But other than that, I've had no complaints. It doesn't ride up. It doesn't fall down. It is very discreet and comfy. So it's performance. I've noticed my back does not ache as quickly. It reduces the fatigue, and I can stay active longer before feeling any kinds of discomfort whatsoever. But like I said, I've also noticed with using this, it's given me a little extra support with sciatica. So extra relief is just a bonus. But so whether I'm cleaning or the standing is what really gets me throughout my day, this JellieBend definitely gives me extra support without being bulky or restrictive. I highly recommend this product, JellieBend, and I cannot wait to put it on and go on with my day.